Is your diesel truck idling weird or losing its punch when you are trying to merge onto the highway in heavy traffic? If you have hooked up your scanner and found the code P02E0, you are dealing with an open circuit in the diesel intake air flow control system. This is a generic powertrain code that shows up a lot on Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and GMC trucks across America. Your engine uses this system to control exactly how much air is entering the intake manifold by moving a throttle plate with an electronic motor. The powertrain control module, which is the main computer of your truck, manages this motor based on the signals it gets from the mass airflow sensor. When the computer detects that it cannot control this airflow or that there is a break in the electrical connection, it triggers the light and stores this code. While this is not considered a severe emergency that will leave you stranded immediately, you should not ignore it. You might notice your truck has a very low or strange idle speed, or you might see a flashing electronic throttle control symbol on your dashboard. One of the biggest problems is that this fault can stop your diesel particulate filter from running its regeneration cycle. If that filter cannot burn off the soot buildup, you will eventually lose a massive amount of power and face a very expensive repair bill for the exhaust system. The causes are usually an open or shorted signal wire, or a failed control motor itself. To fix this, you should start by looking for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model. Then, find the motor on the intake manifold and check the wiring for any signs of scraping, melting, or corrosion. If the connectors look green or dirty, clean them with some electrical contact cleaner. If you see carbon buildup around the throttle plate, use a rag soaked in intake cleaner to wipe it out. Never spray the cleaner directly into the engine, because you could cause a misfire or even damage your catalytic converter. Use a digital voltmeter to check for 12 volts at the motor terminal with the key on. If you have power and ground but the code stays, the motor has likely failed. If you are not comfortable testing high voltage circuits or digging into your intake, you should take your truck to a trained diagnostician to get it handled right. Keeping your airflow steady is the only way to keep your diesel running strong and clean.